Are you tired of having dry hair and split ends? I have the solution. Step 1. Wash your hair with a special care shampoo for weak hair. Don't use conditioner the day you're using the hair mask. When you use the hair mask, your hair has to be wet. In this video, we will just wet our hair. Gently squeeze out the excess water. Apply mask on your hair except for the roots. Apply more on the tip of your hair if it's too dry. Leave on from 50 to 30 minutes. Remove mask with abundant water. Now, let your hair dry completely. It's time to straighten your hair. You're done! Now your hair is soft, silky, manageable, and luminous. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share.